In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up basic reports in Pipedrive Insights, all in just 5 minutes. Let's get started and make sure you have a seamless experience creating reports that can benefit your business insights tremendously. Begin by navigating to pipedrive.com. If you haven't already logged in, at the top right corner of the homepage, you'll spot the login button. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password to proceed. Once you've filled in those details, click on the login button to access your Pipedrive account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main pipeline page of Pipedrive. From this view, we're going to shift our focus to Insights. Look towards the navigation menu where you'll see the option labeled Insights. Clicking on this will take us to where we'll be setting up our reports. On the Insights page, you will observe a Create button, usually prominently displayed to help you get going with making new insights. Go ahead and click it, and a menu will pop up with various options. Our focus today is to create a new report, so select the Report option from this list. With the foundational steps set, we'll now move on to customizing our report. You will need to select an entity that you want to gather insights for, such as deals, activities, or leads. After you've selected the appropriate entity that suits your needs, you'll be prompted to pick a type of report. Options may vary, so ensure you select one that aligns with the information you wish to analyze. Next, proceed by clicking on the Continue button. This action takes you to a workspace where your report will be crafted. Here, you will have the flexibility to play around with the settings and filters. Customizing these filters to fit your specific criteria will allow the report to be as informative and relevant as possible. Remember, this is your chance to tweak the report until it truly represents the insights you need for your business. Once you're satisfied with your selections and the data being presented, there's a Save button to secure all your hard work. Before the final save, you need to provide a title for your report. A clear descriptive title will help you easily identify it later on among other reports. And the last step, once you're all set, is to click Save again to finalize everything. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a basic report in Pipedrive Insights. These reports can later serve as valuable assets